Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be none other than a wig install. It's gonna be a quick little simple wig install. I don't have a wig cap on, but I did put my edges back so that way that my edges don't get ruined. Let's just get right into this period. So this wig is about a month old, guys, so don't come for me. She's very frizzy, but once put on, she gonna give. All she needs a little loving and she gonna give, okay? Don't get it twisted. But I'm gonna go ahead and put her on, and then we're gonna start, gluing it down, okay? As you can see, it's gonna look crazy. All right, stop. Don't even get it twisted. All right, so I am going to be using none other than, let me see if I can show you. Bold hold. I do need to get a different glue because this one is not that good. I hate how clumpy it gets. Thankfully I have a wig glue remover. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little jibber jab. Okay, let's start this. I'm gonna start in the middle. I always start in the middle because of the very fact that it just, holds it in place, so that way I can do the others. Just need to make sure. Alright, I'm not gonna talk anymore after this. So that's the first layer. I always do second layer, and the reason I'm doing second layer is because I'm gonna be in the jacuzzi this Saturday. So basically I'm installing my hair for Saturday because I do have a date with my sugar daddy Saturday. I could not see him because of the month, because it was like I had a religious holiday and I was fasting, so I could not see him. And then he got sick. Well, no, he didn't get sick. He went on a work trip to Arizona, and then he got sick. So it was like I haven't seen him in like almost a month and a half. So I'll be going to see him Saturday. Hopefully it goes through, because I'll be so sad. I can't. Oh. I would be so fucking sad if I can't see him. Like, I would be so, like, because I actually do love him. Like, I love him, like, platonically. So I'd be very sad because I haven't seen him in a long time. Plus, he has my packages at his house. He's got my packages, and he got my new wig there. And I really want my new wig, which I will be installing with you guys, by the way. Clips out. Hold on, guys. So I'm watching Love Island UK, because I don't know, I just didn't feel like the American one was gonna be fun. don't come for me, you know, but I just didn't think the American one would be as fun as the UK one. So I am watching that right now. I just paused this so I can do this real quick. I just don't want it to mess up, you know. I really want my hair to come out good. This only comes out, like, my hair usually comes out good when I'm not going anywhere and I'm just gonna be home. It's like, what the fuck, bitch? Like, be good when I'm leaving the house too. Like, what the fuck? I have 4 of these things. 1, 2, 3. Where's my 4th one? I have more than 4 actually. Didn't I throw them all in here? Okay. Guess I'm gonna have to use these ones because I can't find my other ones. Okay. So I got the middle part. I need to cut this bottom part off because I just feel like it's just not working anymore. Like, I don't know, I just feel like it's too far out. It's just too far out. It's just not working. There we go. Much better. Okay, so I didn't really like show the part of me installing the sides, but this is the parting. I'm gonna fix it a little bit more so that it's perfect, and then I'm going to put my concealer in to define the parting better. As of lately, I have not been, you know, I haven't been doing much of edges as I used to back in the day. For the fact that I just simply, I don't know, I'm trying this, I want to be appearing as an elegant, whatchamacallit, elegant rich man's wife, and that's the persona I'm trying to portray. So what are we thinking, guys? Oh my god, I put this. All right, so let me do this. Like this. It's cute. I don't know, I just get bored of wigs real fast, and I just start wanting new ones. Like, I don't know, I just get really bored. So like right now I don't seem as excited, but this looks really cute. I just can't wait to put on some makeup, some lashes or whatever, and go ahead and just fucking, you know, do my big one. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the 24-hour edge max hold. It's like a wax stick. This one right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right here. so that my center of my hair is like, you know, looking real nice. I cannot wait to do the fucking voiceover. It's like, I feel like a Puerto Rican. What is her? I feel like a Puerto Rican. I feel like a Puerto Rican. I swear, that's literally how that's the only thing I could think about when I did this hair. I was like, bruh, why do I feel like that girl who was saying like, I feel like a Puerto Rican with this hair? Cause that's literally how I felt. Period. But I'm gonna put some mousse in the ends. Hold on, this is my problem. I gotta put the concealer down first, and then we can do the mousse and all that extra shit after. But let's start with the concealer. Concealer. Baby, won't you come? Yeah. Concealer. Baby, won't you? Concealer. Tap. I just don't like having too much. Ah! Oh my god. Sorry guys. I always freak out when I gotta do the concealer part because I just don't want to fuck up at all. So, snap. And then just quickly snap. I feel like a Puerto Rican. Let me stop. Yo. Alright, there we go. Sorry you guys can't see it too well. I get so scared, y'all. Oh my god. I'm so weird, y'all. I'm so sorry. Okay, here we go. Almost got it. A few seconds, a few inches more. Stop. I'm literally doing too much, y'all. I'm like doing too much. And I got the base on, and I just like dab my finger on it. Like, I don't know. I just like to dab my finger on it, and I just like. This is literally all I do. Okay guys, this is what the look is giving. I'm gonna remove these. Okay. This is what the look is giving. I'm gonna grab this right here. Like mousse to do the ends real quick. To finish it off. There you go. I want you guys to go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel and be part of my beautiful May babies. Bye! I shine so bright, you might go